Hi guys and girls, today we're writing the equation in vertex form. So your job is to see the graph, like the ones below, and write their equation in vertex form. Okay, I'm going to do A, D, and E. Okay, so if you'd like to have a go first, that's excellent. Okay, if not, then do it along with me. But once you get the hang of it, try having a go first to sort of cement that knowledge. Okay, so here we go. Okay, vertex form looks like this. It is y equals some number, which we call the A value or the dilation factor, outside of x, minus some number, which we call h. Okay, that's the x value of the vertex, which is the turning point of the parabola. The top bit on a negative parabola, and the bottom bit on a positive parabola. Okay. Some reason it keeps on wanting to be very, very small. Okay, then we add our y value of that vertex to the end. So A is our dilation factor, but h is the x value of our vertex, and c is the y value of our vertex. So what I'm going to do is, just from question A, write them straight in. Okay, I've got 2, which is the x value of our vertex. So I just go y equals x. Okay, now I'm going to put minus 2. Okay, because if it's a positive vertex, if it's a positive x value, then I put a minus. And if it's a negative x value, I put a plus, because this takeaway is part of the formula. Okay, it's minus from the formula, 2 from the vertex, and then plus 4. Okay, and something I didn't do up the top, but definitely should have, is put in that little squared, because the squared is what gives you the x squared out the front and makes the finger parabola. Okay, now to check that the dilation factor is correct, what I'm going to do is expand it and see if I get 8 as my intercept. If I get 8 as my intercept, then the graph has the same dilation factor, because 8's the intercept in the picture. If I don't get 8 as an intercept, then I've got to do or change the dilation factor. Okay, so what I do is x squared minus 2 is x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 4 x squared minus 4x plus 8. So 8 is my dilation factor. That is my equation for the graph. In vertex form, it looks like that. So that is my answer, because it asks for vertex form. Okay. Cool. Pause the video, have a go at D and E. Okay, and I will do them very quickly after, so you can have a watch if you get stuck. D, the x value of my vertex is that minus 3. Now I've got a minus in the equation, so I've got to go x plus 3, because when it's minus over here, it's plus over here. Then y equals squared, because that's part of the layout of the vertex form, and then I've got to add 1 to drag it up 1, because the y value of the vertex is 1. Okay, so plus 1 on the end. Okay, now this says that the intercept value is -8. Okay, so I'm going to expand this and see if it's -8. Okay. X squared plus 6x. Yeah. Plus 6x. I'm just expanding. Plus 9 minus 1. Well, sorry, plus 1. Okay. Now that gives me a y value x squared plus 6x plus 10. Okay, so I'm saying the vertex is over here. I need to make the parabola negative, and I also need to change the vertex. So what I'm going to do is put a negative to make the dilation factor -1 and make it turn round. Now all these pluses become minuses, and I've got minus x squared minus 6x minus 9 plus 1, which gives me 8, because minus 9 plus 1 is 8. And so that is the correct form. So this is my answer in vertex form. Okay. I might not do E, because I think you can have a go at that yourself and check it in the back of the book. Okay, but that's the procedure for vertex form. Have a go. Okay, and the more you practice, the easier it's going to become. It's just matching to that pattern. Hopefully that was useful. Bye guys and girls.